Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can do that green screen effect that you just saw in Filmora X, guys. So if you'd like to see that, continue watching this video. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so here we are in Filmora X, and right here I have my two pieces of footage that I'll be using in this tutorial. All right, so let me first show you what I'm working with. So this is the background, guys, that I wish to use. This is the green screen video. Let me just double tap on it and play it. So that's what it's looking like, guys. Now the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is to just drag the background and extend it a bit. Then I'm going to head up here and drag and position the green screen above the background. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and readjust the background so it has the same duration as the video. Alright, now if I play it, guys, you will notice that all you're seeing is the green screen. You're definitely not seeing the background that I showed you before. So what I'm going to do, guys, is double click on the green screen, and then when this section pops up, I'm going to go to chroma key and then select this little pin icon. Then I'm going to tap anywhere on the screen here. By doing so, you guys are noticing that you're definitely not seeing the green screen anymore. You're only seeing this background that I am working with. At this point, guys, you can go ahead and position your figure, your image, wherever you want it to be. And you can just drag to scale down or resize your image so that it fits more realistically with the background or within the background that you're working with. So I'm going to place it at about, make it as accurate as possible, at about here, and let that be it. Alright, so now let me play it so that you guys can see what's happening. Okay. Alright, so that came out quite nicely. So now, guys, I'm going to show you some more things that you can do here. So let me first readjust this. So guys, I'm just going to add the same background to the timeline again. Next, I'm going to drag the video to the timeline, and I'm going to remove that green screen by double tapping on it, selecting chroma key, then this little pin icon, tapping anywhere on the screen. Then I'm just going to drag to scale down and reposition my figure here. Now that that's done, guys, I'm going to go to speed, and I'm going to select slow, and I'm selecting 0.25x. Next, I am just dragging this background all the way out to the end here. So let me play that so you guys can see what's happening here. Alright, since it's no longer moving at this point, I'm just going to drag the green screen section all the way down to here, and I'm just going to select the background as well and drag it so that they're both at the same time. So that's it, guys. If you found this video useful, leave a like below so that I can know that you did. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Also, go ahead and check out this video here that shows you how you can do the zoom through text effect in Filmora if you'd like to see that. Until my next video, guys, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.